Do you have customers in your inbox that have purchased from you a long time ago? Or worse yet, they've never purchased from you. They're just sitting there in inbox purgatory and you wish there was a way to nudge them along. That's what WhatsApp broadcasting is for. And if this is Zaapi's newest feature, you can do this a lot easier. Now, if you've never done this before, you might be wondering, why would you even use WhatsApp broadcast as opposed to just sending them a regular message? From what we've seen and learned, there are four main benefits on why you would use WhatsApp broadcast. One, it gets way higher open rates than emails. Email open rates have been going down over the years. WhatsApp broadcast message, it has an open rate of over 90%. That's number one. Number two has to do with the fact that it has a faster response rate than email because customers will get the message on their phone and they're more likely to just reply immediately. Third, this boosts your chance of getting repeat purchases, getting those customers back in the buying funnel and get them buying from you again. Fourth, this is a very low acquisition cost. WhatsApp broadcasting message costs way less than running ads, and it gives more business out of the customers that are already in your pipeline. So let's go over how we can easily set this up on our account. Now, in your admin panel, you want to go over to where it says broadcast. Now, you can do line OA or WhatsApp. And right here, you can create a new broadcast. On this right panel here, you'll have a preview of what that will look like. You can send now or schedule it for later. Let's say we're going to go with send now. You can choose to send to everyone that's already in your chat group, in your pipeline, not your chat group, but in your messages that you already have contact with, or you can segment the audience. This is really cool. You can easily upload the CSV. Now, if you use specific labels on some of the people in your chats, you can filter it there quickly. Another one is you can filter by the last contact they've had with you. It'd be before or after a certain date. This one's pretty awesome. You can choose converted yes or no. So you can filter by buyers that have bought from you or buyers that are new buyers. They've never bought anything from you, but they've inquired about a specific product. You can also do by conversion value. Maybe they bought over a certain amount of dollars or a certain amount of whatever currency you're using from you before. You can choose those specific buyers. Next, you can make the choice to choose from an existing template or make a brand new one. Now, for the sake of demonstration, what I'll do here is I'll go ahead and make a new one, and I already have a chat prepared on what that looks like. So I'll go ahead and paste that message in here. It looks something like that. I can choose a header if I want to. So let's say this one I don't want in my body. I want to put this in my header so it stands out a little bit more like that. Footer, we can leave that as is, but what's cool is that you can add buttons. There's multiple buttons that you can add. You can add up to 10 actually. Let's say for this one, the call to action I have here is reply deal for your VIP code, right? I can just put quick reply and then I can just put deal like this. All the customer has to do is just hit deal and they will get their code. When you're done, you can just submit. Now, when you launch a campaign, this will go directly into the customer's inbox, and you can track how the campaign is doing here from the WhatsApp broadcasting dashboard. You'll be able to track how many was sent out, how many was read, replied, conversions, conversion values. You can see all of that here. For a comprehensive guide on broadcast and how it works on Zaapi, you can visit this page here under our help and review all the details on broadcast. Now let's go over the availability of this feature. The broadcast feature is only available if you're operating on the Pro or the Advanced plan. It's also important to note that every time you send out a broadcast, there is an additional fee, not charged by us, but charged by Meta that you need to pay for. Now, for the specific fees, you can visit this page here on business.whatsapp.com, platform pricing. It will tell you all the messaging rates. Overall, in summary, because of the ease of use, the low cost, and the massive open rate that you can see on WhatsApp broadcasts, it is a great way to re-engage buyers that purchased from you in the past and get them to be repeat customers, or engage with customers who are just sitting there in the pipeline and you just want to nudge them along and get them across the line. This is a great way to keep your sales pipeline fat and healthy.